Hello and welcome back to the Tatbels YouTube channel. You all know I'm Tatbels, so I'm gonna change my intro. Let me know how I should start it. Let me know in the comments actually how I should start my videos from now on. Today I am now, well, I've left London. I'm now in freezing cold Guildford. It's rather windy today. I'm just having a quick stop off to walk this guy, Bruce. And then I'm headed over to the Octane Collection. There's a little breakfast meet going on there this morning, and I've actually stolen my father's car, as I'm still carless. I've stolen his car, so I've got something to take down, which is the, right over there, I don't know if you can see it, the 991.2 Targa 4 GTS. Now this car, I'll be honest, I wasn't a big fan of the car to start off with, but I really enjoy it now that I've had a bit of time with it. So it's a lot of fun. So's dad, not giving it back. Anyway, so let's head down to Octane, see what they've got going on over there. They've always got some really awesome cars. I'm waiting for my friend Kaya. She's going to come meet us as well. And there's a few other guys down at Octane that I know of today, so we'll annoy the hell out of them in a minute. Bruce, what are you doing? What are you doing? Hello. I just thought I'd quickly point out that was not me, My father's just as bad at curbing wheels. Come on. Just gotta try and put the dog in the car. In you get. Jump! Come on! In you get, come on! Bruce. Come on. Bruce, come on. Come on. Good boy. In you get. Good boy. Up, come on. Butthole. Sorry about that, guys. It's so windy. All right. I'm in. God, it's so windy outside, isn't it, Bruce? We're not far from Octane. Sounds alright. It doesn't sound bad. I'll try not to talk to the dog too much. So you guys all know about Octane Collection because I've been there many times. I love it there. The guys are very kind to let me borrow cars every now and then, which is awesome. And today I'm not taking anything away, not driving anything today. I've got the pleasure of driving this car today. Canine in cars, no flavors. We'll remember this one. We're at Octane at the moment. I've got Kaya behind me, Queen of Gowns. We've got Lincoln over there, he's walking away. And I have got some Ferrari keys that I've just stolen from Damien, from the car guys, for this. I'm gonna steal it right now. Way too excited right now. Let's do this. Okay. Do I look good? Yeah, yeah. I love it.
Does that make you happy?
Yes, it makes me happy. No, they're fine. You got flames, there were flames.
Annabelle, do that hype beast pose.
Okay. Kaya's taught me how to do the hype beast pose. So wait, hold on. This.
Yeah. It looks good though.
Thank you, Queen of Gowns.
So which one is your favorite car here?
My favorite car, oh, this is really hard. Okay, I'll take you. My favorite car. You'll be shocked.
Really?
I love it.
Why is this your favorite car?
Because it's a very rare M3 CRT. It's got the bigger engine and it's satin paint. It's sexy as fuck and I really like it. I very much like this car. I want it very much.
How much is it, do you know?
About, I don't know, I think 100 something.
What?
I know. Which I don't have. But you guys know I like this car. I love this car. It's
guys,
my favorite.
if you want to sponsor Annabelle with this car, please contact us.
Don't do that. Do that. I like this as well. I like the Bentley.
Yeah. Hi Bethany!
This is Beth's. This would be Beth's probably pick of the lot in here.
Which car wouldn't you get here?
That's hard.
Like your most disliked car?
That's really difficult. Let's go find out. What are you doing? You're being a pervert.
No, I'm showing your shoes. Oh. Like you're not tall enough, and then you have to wear shoes like that.
Yeah, it's necessary. Probably this one. I don't like Maserati.
Oh, I thought you meant this one because this is my least favorite.
No, I don't like these. I've never been a fan of them.
But don't you think they sound good?
They sound good, but that's the only good thing about them.
What don't you like about this car?
Everything. The build quality inside, the way that they drive, everything just feels very dated. It's not my thing. But maybe I need to spend more time with a newer one.
Guys,
maybe.
you can sponsor us with a Maserati, please. Thank you. Please contact me first. Thanks.
Yeah, my agent.
Okay, look. And what about this one? Do you like this one?
Yeah, I like this one.
Have you driven it before?
No, I've never driven one of these. I really want to though. This is a very nice example as well. Z3M Coupe. But I am going to be very soon driving the new Z4, which will be coming to the channel, which is quite exciting. Actually, yeah, I'll just give you a little update what's coming up. But yeah, there'll be the Z4 M40i, and then the new 3 Series.
Interesting.
Let's go look at the Enzo.
Okay.
I'm going to show you my favourite seat here. Best seat in the house.
And you know why? I know why.
Because of that view. No, not that.
Free drinks, right?
It's the view.
Let me see the view. Oh wow.
Oh yeah.
Oh wow. You're right. That's the perfect seat. I love it. You can buy me this one if you want.
I'll buy you that one. I'll buy you that one.
So why do you like this car so much?
It looks awesome, and it's an Enzo. It's just...
Okay, then I can buy you a Toyota, make it look like the Enzo.
Okay.
You'll be happy with that.
I'll be happy with anything. I'm carless at the moment. I will take anything.
Guys, if anyone wants to sponsor Annabelle with a car, please contact me first.
I love that. Contact me first. Yes, everyone, this is...
I have to test drive it first and then...
Okay.
No. I saw that. Oh, wow.
Check this view out. Thanks, camera girl.
You seem very happy.
I am. I'm in my element here. Right, I've been given the keys to a GTO. We're gonna warm this one up.
Be honest, how did you get them?
I stole them.
Oh, look at it. Hi.
Okay. So we've got keys to GTO. I'm gonna take some keys to Damien's TDF again. But first we're gonna warm up the GTO and then we're gonna rev battle.
Oh, look at that car. That looks so amazing. Oh my god. Whose car is that?
Your car. Okay.
Oh wow. This is your favorite, right?
This is my favorite.
Your hype is post now.
Okay.
Yeah, look. I like it. I like it. I like it. Oh, so it's left hand drive.
Gracefully. All right, so I have now managed to convince Damien in his TDF right behind me to come and do a little rev battle with the TDF and the GTO. I can't believe I managed to do this, but I'm very, very, very excited about this, as I'm sure you can see. But yeah, let's. Which one do you think's gonna win? I love that plate, by the way. Boss TDF, legend, absolute legend. Woohoo! GTO. TDF.
And now together.
And now together. One for me. I think this one won. What do you guys think?
I think this one.
Yeah, and what do you guys all think? Thank you. Now let me know in the comments, what do you think? Which was best? The F12 TDF that belongs to the Car Guys TV or the 599 GTO? Let me know. Well, I'm now at home. I'm back in London, so I apologise because I didn't do an outro at Octane Collection, but hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. You got to have a bit of a insight as to what I get up to when I go to these events, especially with girlfriends like Kaya, who's at Queen of Gowns. She was my camera lady for the day, which was really helpful. Special thanks to the Octane Collection for inviting me down today to come to your little breakfast meet. It was not little in the slightest. It was awesome. Some serious cars, which you've all seen. Another special thanks to the Car Guys for letting me rev the crap out of their TDF. really appreciate that. Really appreciated that. And as well to Octane for letting me rev the GTO. Or I hope you guys enjoyed the little rev battle, the little walk round Octane Collection. I hope you enjoyed Bruce. Let me know what you would pick out of all the cars at the Octane Collection that I walked around and saw. What was your favourite? What would you say is your favourite out of everything? And which out of the TDF and the GTO do you think sounded better? I'm intrigued what you think, because for me it was the TDF, but they're both different. I love the sound of the GTO, don't get me wrong, but the TDF just did a little something to me. Made me feel a little bit odd in a good way. So yeah, and hopefully you enjoyed that. let me know what you thought in the comments. Hope you guys are all having a great day. Make sure you like and you subscribe, because there's lots more to come from my YouTube channel. Thanks guys, bye.